In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tables in WPS Office. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to combine two tables into one clean, continuous table using WPS Writer, which is part of the WPS Office suite. First, open WPS Writer and load the document that contains the two tables you want to merge. Give the page a quick scan so you know exactly where both tables are located. This will help you keep track of what moves where as you work. Next, make sure the two tables are positioned directly one above the other, with the first table on top and the second table immediately below it. If you see any text, blank lines, or spaces between them, remove that content. The goal is to eliminate anything that separates the two tables so they can sit back to back. Sometimes what looks like empty space is actually a blank paragraph or a leftover line break. Place your cursor on that empty line and delete it so the bottom of the first table and the top of the second table are as close as possible. Now remove the gap entirely so the tables can join. Click at the very start of the second table, right before its first character or cell, so your cursor is positioned at its front edge. Press backspace. If there are multiple blank lines or hidden breaks, tap backspace repeatedly. Each press pulls the second table upward, closing the gap. Keep going until there is absolutely no space left between them. The moment that empty space disappears, WPS Writer automatically merges the two tables into a single table. You'll know it worked when the table borders connect seamlessly and you can navigate from the last row of the first table straight into the first row of the second without any interruption. If you accidentally remove more than intended, use undo to step back and try again more carefully. If the tables don't merge, double check for stubborn elements like an extra blank paragraph or a page break lingering between them, then remove it and press backspace again from the start of the second table. That's it. Open your document, place the two tables directly together, remove anything in between, and press backspace at the start of the second table until it joins the first. With that simple workflow, your tables become one unified table, ready for consistent formatting, sorting, and easier editing.